Sup, mad dogs? How's the fit? Yeah, I'll do it 12 for you, no worries. Got a new hat for Father's Day, got some new scalper shoes, and then some $15 cargos from Kmart. That's what's up. Just gonna head to the local store to get some Pokemons. Just gotta grab me car keys. Zaddy boy. Oh, fuck. Just remembered I don't have a car. Perks of being unemployed, I guess. It looks like we'll just take the trusty foot falcon, eh? Oh yeah, what do we got here? Some terrestrial festival. What the fuck? For one pack? What? You're cooked, son. Those prices are absolutely fucked, so we got ourselves a sandwich and a monster. Now we're going home. Unemployed activities.